Hello guys, good morning. So ito yung morning natin guys. Mainit-init talaga guys tayo today. Ayun sa nakikita nyo, ayun. Ang ganda ng panahon guys. Ayun guys. Ayun, very good weather talaga today guys. Ayun. Sa nakikita nyo, ang ganda ng panahon guys. Ayun. So ito yung morning natin guys. Have a good day to all. No? Have a good Monday morning. So guys, ito yung update natin. Mainit na talaga tayo pero kakapainit ko pa lang guys. Kaka-coffee ko pa lang guys. Ayun. Yan guys. Sarap-sarap. Masarap-sarap talagang coffee. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Follow for more and share. Like and share and comments. Thank you so much. God bless us.